Welcome to my channel. One introduction. The Nikon Z90 is poised to redefine the APS-C mirrorless camera segment. With a blend of advanced features and a compact design, it's generating buzz among photography enthusiasts and professionals alike. In this comprehensive guide, we'll delve into the rumored specifications, potential performance, and how it stacks up against the competition. 2. Design and build quality. Anticipated to feature a magnesium alloy chassis, the Nikon Z90 is expected to offer durability without compromising on weight. Weather sealing akin to higher-end models like the Z8 suggests readiness for challenging environments. Ergonomic enhancements, including a deeper grip and tactile buttons, aim to provide a comfortable shooting experience. A fully articulating LCD screen and a high-resolution electronic viewfinder, EVF, are also on the cards, catering to both photographers and videographers. 3. Sensor and image quality. Rumors point to a 33MP APS-C CMOS sensor, potentially delivering exceptional detail and dynamic range. Paired with Nikon's latest image processor, the Z90 could offer impressive low-light performance and color accuracy. Burst shooting capabilities are expected to reach up to 15 frames per second with a mechanical shutter and possibly 20 frames per second electronically, making it suitable for action photography. 4. Autofocus and performance. Building on the advancements seen in the Z9 and Z8, the Z90 is rumored to incorporate a sophisticated autofocus system. Features may include subject detection powered by deep learning AI, capable of recognizing people, animals, and vehicles. With 493-point phase detection autofocus and real-time tracking, the camera could excel in capturing fast-paced scenes. 5. Video capabilities. For videographers, the Z90 is expected to offer 4K recording at 60p using the full sensor width, ensuring sharp and detailed footage. Additional features may include 10-bit internal recording with Nikon's N-Log and HLG profiles for flexible color grading. Speculations also suggest the possibility of 4K at 120p for slow-motion content, albeit with a potential crop. Enhanced audio inputs and in-body image stabilization could further solidify its appeal to content creators. 6. Connectivity and battery life. Modern connectivity options are anticipated, including a full-size HDMI port, USB-C 3.2 for fast data transfers, and improved Wi-Fi and Bluetooth capabilities. These features would facilitate seamless integration with devices and support for live streaming. The Z90 may utilize the Yen EL15C battery, offering approximately 450 to 500 shots per charge, with potential improvements in power efficiency due to the new processor. 7. Comparison with competitors. Positioned as a mid-range mirrorless camera, the Nikon Z90 is expected to compete with models like the Canon EOS R7 and Sony's APS-C offerings. Its combination of high-resolution imaging, advanced autofocus, and robust video features could give it an edge in this competitive segment. 8. Target audience and use cases. The Z90 seems tailored for hybrid shooters who require both high-quality stills and video capabilities. Its compact yet durable design makes it suitable for travel, wildlife, sports, and event photography. Additionally, content creators and vloggers may find its video features and connectivity options particularly appealing. 9. Expected release date and pricing. While Nikon has not officially announced the Z90, reliable sources suggest a release in late 2025 or early 2026. Pricing is rumored to be between $1,499 and $1,699 for the body only, positioning it above the Z50 but below the Z6 series. 10. Conclusion. The Nikon Z90 is shaping up to be a formidable contender in the APS-C mirrorless market. With its anticipated blend of professional-grade features and portability, it could cater to a wide range of users, from enthusiasts to professionals seeking a capable second body. As more information becomes available, the excitement surrounding this camera continues to grow.